Hey guys, what's up? And today I want to thank you guys for Shadow Alex. He has 45 subscribers right now and 833 views. I just looked and I just want to say I'm happy for him. And so just for that, I put on this firework. This could get leggy. The fireworks. Yeah, I made this, it's kind of like fireworks. A lot of charges. Couldn't find fireworks, so I just found these instead. And I can turn them off. Good for a fireworks show. So that's really nice. Guys, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to Shadow Alex and watched his videos. He loves doing that. I'm actually going to show you how to make one of these. So all you are going to need is this glue, redstone comparison, some redstone, 100 complete. So it does not destroy the ground, but find where we are. Okay guys, very weird right now. It's never. I will be, actually no. Yeah, I will be right back with the tutorial on a new non-glitchy world. Be right back. And I just said T. And as I said, before, I don't know, it could be from the fireworks. Just, what we're gonna need is a redstone comparison. I think that's how you say it. Some redstone. Yep. And we're also gonna need a lever. This will turn the contraption off. And it is lagging me again. That's okay. I can deal with it. Okay. So what we are pretty much going to do, we'll place one of these. Oh my gosh, it is really lagging me. I'm gonna take some glowstone, what the heck? It's redstone. And we are gonna put it. Okay, I will be right back when it's actually set up. This is pretty much the contraption we want to have, well, this light on. You want to have it always on. And then when we put this lever here, it flashes. Yes. It's just very glitchy right now, though it goes very fast. It doesn't go this slow. Though you saw the fireworks, each one of those, that's how fast it was going. I just don't know why it's not going super fast now. Just try it out for yourself. It is very amazing. Check out Shadow Alex, and I'm not really into YouTube anymore. Not a ton, but I'm running my own website right now. I think that's what you're viewing this video on. Could be on YouTube, I don't know. Yeah, it's going a little better right now, flashing. But, yeah. And like I said, this is very good for like fireworks and stuff. Guys, try it out. I look on my website, there's a menu. Go to more and check out my maps that I make. Make skyblock, survival. That's what I've made so far. And as you can see in the top left corner, it does say worst. I do have a worst hacking client I use in survival, though I did not use it in my survival map or any of that. I just like to play with it. So yeah, guys, that would be my tutorial, I guess I could say. And yeah. I could my thing here. I could actually. There we go, guys. I will see you later.